so today we'll be reviewing the Bunchems BunchBot, which, if you don't know what they are little like Velcro balls that you can make 3D models out of. So let's open it up. So this is what we got. We got a Bunchems bot, which you hold the handles to push down, it makes your creations. We got lots of Bunchems, so you could get these and the stick together like that with the hooks. And then we got some like eyes and that just push onto the Bunchems. We got an instruction manual with all different Bunchem creations that you can make. We got some instructions of how to set it up and how to follow the manual. And this is for getting the Bunchem models out of the bot when it's finished. So we're going to be making the parrot today, and what you've got to do is, so we've got to copy the pattern, so I've got to put that one, that goes on there, then I get a red one, put it one down from the other, like that, then a yellow, which I will put just below that. So then, because number one, the section one is done, we push that in, slide it in, and then we push that down, and then we do the next section. So let's go. So we're going to carry on doing these and we'll show you when we're a bit nearer. Bye, see you soon. So this is the last step. So we're just finishing this step off and then we can push the parrot up and see what it's turned out like. So yeah, let's finish this parrot. So now we've done that section, we can push the rest in, push it down. So now that's done. So now we need to lift the lid right off. Just place it down for a second. Then we get the ejector, put it on the tray. Then we slide it in, and then we push it down. So we're going to give our parrot a squeeze and then fold out the wings and the feathers at the back. So now that we've done that, we've got to fold down the nose just like that. Like that, and then put on the eyes. And now we just need to put the eyes on, which go just above the beak. And there. there's our parrot. So it was very easy putting the Bunchems in place and pushing it down to get it in the thing. The only tricky part was with the ejector, which was very hard to push the actual beads out. And then the Bunchems, that was it. And then it's very fun, but I'd recommend if you have long hair the best way to do them is tie it back, because they are they can hook into your hair very easily. And don't put them near your hair, because you might have to cut your hair out because they're that strong. And they're a very fun thing to make. And now I've got a little parrot. If that's what parrots make. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.